Uh, Hello everyone. Welcome to today's presentation. Uh, my name is Sahadi. I am from Instrumentation and Automation Engineering at Sumatra Institute of Technology. I will be discussing how timers in VLC are used along with a ladder diagram uh, to control a pneumatic cylinder or a pneumatic actuator. This is one of the most important uh, in the most important topics in automation as combine both theory and a practical application using a trainer bot is application timer of application of PLC timer in pneumatic system. Next, objective practicum. So, what the goal of this practicum? There are three things point. Uh, the first point to understand how PLC timers actual work. Uh, Actual work uh, especially on delay, up delay, and pulse timer. And point second, to learn how to use timer to set up sequence for pneumatic actuator like single acting or double acting. And last point, to get practice reading and building a ladder diagram that use uh, this timer. So by the end, you shall feel more confident programming basic sequence with timer. Next, the general question. General question, key question. Before we define, uh, here are some question to think about. The question first, what exactly does the timer do inside a VLC system? Uh, and a question second, and what's the difference between tone or a timer on delay and top or a timer of delay? Timer on delay tone and timer of delay top. Keep this in mind because on we go through the example, the answer will make more sense. And next, the point or definition of a timer. Timer. A timer in a PLC work kind of like a digital stopwatch. As soon as the input condition is true, the timer start counting. Uh, Once it reaches the time, we've set the output regs. Uh, so let's imagine its picture. You press a button and uh, 5 seconds later a lamp turns on. That's a tone or on delay. And or maybe you let a go a button, but the pan keeps running for 10 seconds before stopping that uh, off or off delay 5 seconds before stop or off delay. That's the beauty of timer. They give us more control than just immediate on or off the system. When you program a timer, it usually looks something like this. Uh, when I am program a timer, team 000 for address and 15 for timer. Uh, Here, what is a main TIM or team is timer. Us just the instruction saying this timer. Uh, 000 is the time address in memory to PLC for a PLC, and 50 is the first value the delay time. So it's really just a simple way of saying when this condition have uh, wait a bit, then turn the output on or output off. Uh, Now let's look in detail at a ladder diagram that controls the forward and reverse motion of a pneumatic cylinder of for main part. Uh, the ladder in start or stop control in rank 1. Push button on uh, normally open and off normally close. Uh, we have a start a button normally open and a stop both stop or off button normally closed. When start is freezed, the system coil coil energies and the process lets on. This ensures the entire system is under operator control and can be stopped at any time. And in rank 2, forward timer logic, we have a start button. Uh, Click a start button and added a value 1 or true. Once the system is on, the forward switch is activated. Timer 000 for address or definition or tone. Timer of uh, begins counting. Uh, af- After the preset delay is complete, the forward output coil energies descend a signal to solenoid valve, expanding the pneumatic cylinder. Uh, the delay, the delay allow synchronization with other process. For example, waiting for a conveyor to stop before the cylinder extends. And in the ladder diagram, coil, stop button, on button, timer forward timer and reverse timer for uh, retract for cylinder. The reverse time logic, uh, forward time logic, reverse time logic in rank 3 or line 3. The reverse sequence user timer uh, T001 for address. The condition are system on, uh, system push button on, system on, reverse switch activated, and forward timer finished. This ensures that the cylinder only retract after the forward motion is complete. After the 001 or timer reverse time logic, the reverse coil energies commanding the cylinder to retract. Uh, to retract for cylinder and forward to uh, I'm mm, the in finally ranks or final actuator output. The output coil Q 000 uh, connect to the solenoid valve. The pneumatic actuator uh, uh, the coil connect to output to the solenoid valve uh, to controlling the pneumatic cylinder. When forward time is active, the solenoid send compressed air uh, from a regulator. Solenoid from regulator solenoid send compressed air to extend the cylinder pneumatic. When a reverse time is active, from the regulator or the filter air, the solenoid send send compressed air uh, or the solenoid switch switches to retract the cylinder pneumatic. When forward solenoid extend, when reverse time, the solenoid switch. And in timer set in the forward time set value time 15, and in forward uh, in forward in reverse time value time 15, and address to time T001 in forward address to a memory T 000 for or ton, and reverse top or times or of delay. uh, in leather we the coil send to a signal to system, and system send to timer send to signal for controlling the solenoid valve to controlling pneumatic cylinder uh, to extend or uh, retract. And next, oh, finish. uh, and that's pretty much it. We've seen how a timer added a flexibility and a precision in VLC programming. Uh, timer how to timers added flexibility and precision in VLC programming. With them, a machine will adjust move instantly any coordination. With timer we can create a sequence that make a pneumatic system word the phonematic make the phonematic system work smoothly for phonematic system. uh, Thank you for your attention, and I hope this my presentation. I hope this gave you a clear idea of how timer and logic uh, ladder diagram come together in automation system or industry system or automation industry. Thank you very much for your attention.